cry. Hey guys, it's me, Jazmyn, and I don't know if anybody's gonna be watching this, is gonna see this, any of my old subscribers or what, but if you remember me, I'm Jazmyn, and I used to make videos when I was 14 years old, and I literally just found this YouTube channel, and I was like, bro, I kind of want to come back. So I don't know, this might be my comeback, we'll see. But I just want to give a quick update on where I've been, what I've been doing. I'm grown up now, like I'm literally 22, about to be 23 in 1 month. Must be 23 in a month. 9 years. These videos were 9 years ago. Oh my gosh, okay. Quick little synopsis. We can do an in-depth video later, but I just want to give you some highlights. I'm drinking some green tea. It's lemon something. But it's Lipton green tea. My little smiley face mug, isn't that cute? When I was 14, I didn't have any jobs, like YouTube was my only hobby, and then school obviously. I started high school. Before I graduated high school, I played lacrosse, and I had like 3 regular jobs at that point. Once I graduated, I went to Central Michigan. I am from Michigan, so I went to CMU for college. I got my degree. I got a degree, y'all. I got a degree in marketing, and basically the 4 years of college was a huge learning experience. I can do so many videos on just college alone, but yeah, I think the highlight of college was, honestly, the highlight of my college was getting my cat. Like, my college career was getting my cat. I have 2 cats now, but I got my cat, Rome. I'll insert a picture. And I got him my sophomore year. We had COVID during college as well. That was 2019 to 2020 or whatever. So that like messed up everything too. But yeah, graduated that. Now we're in present time, and I am in my own apartment. I paid for this apartment, y'all. This is fine. I moved out. I'm not in my little pink room anymore. My mom actually like redecorated that room. It's like really empty now. It's kind of sad and depressing. But so I'm in my own apartment. I'm moving out of this apartment, getting a new one next month, and I have a big girl job. I'm a marketing specialist at a truck accessories company. What else? I'm just living life, trying to figure out, you know, how to navigate through adulthood like any other person in their 20s. And not gonna lie, this shit's ghetto. Like, real ghetto. So, yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just say hi, see who's still on this channel, who's not, and if you're not, that's okay. I just want to start making videos again. I do make TikToks and stuff, so follow me on there. Follow me on my socials, Instagram. I don't really use Twitter. So follow me on my socials, but I really do want to start getting back into making videos because it was just so fun. And just so, this is just like what I like to do. Like just sit and talk in the camera. Document my life, honestly. I feel like I have a lot to catch up on. Okay. Thank you for listening to me for this few minutes. Just to say welcome back, I guess, or hello, or I don't know. Okay, so hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.